Hi, everyone. About a minute on the Department of Energy, which is stonewalling the public when it comes to the cost of residential energy. This is an issue I've followed for many years and written several times about it in the past. And the background is this. The Department of Energy is required under the Energy Policy and Conservation Act of 1975 to publish in the Federal Register every year the price of residential energy for 5 different forms of energy. So natural gas, propane, heating oil, kerosene, and electricity. And those numbers have regularly showed that electricity is far more expensive than natural gas. In fact, last year it was 3.3 times more expensive. Well, this matters to consumers, and the Department of Energy should be following the law. Now, before I get to that, just a quick reminder, I'm Robert Bryce. If you don't know me, I've published 6 books. I've co-produced 2 documentaries. I give you the numbers and the facts, not the spin about energy and power. Okay, so back to the Department of Energy. The DOE usually publishes this price data in March or April of every year. We're now in the first week of October and they still haven't published it. And the key question is, of course, why? Now, I've been bird dogging this story for now 2 months. I emailed the agency in early August to ask, where is this pricing data? Because you're late in publishing it. They didn't reply. I followed up 2 weeks later and they said, oh, we're working on it. Well, still nothing. I followed it up with a guy named Nick Montoni, who is in the Office of Energy Efficiency and Renewable Energy. He apparently is the point person on this. I believe it's now 6 weeks ago. He said, oh, we're working on this. We're going to publish it. We'll let you know. And now here we are, the first week in October, and they still haven't published it. So the question is why? And why haven't they done so? And I think the answer is pretty obvious. These numbers are embarrassing for this administration and for the Department of Energy, which has been pushing this electrify everything notion. And if you're pushing electrify everything and electricity is more expensive than natural gas, and it is far more expensive, then you're effectively implementing an energy tax, a regressive energy tax. So that's my read, and it's not a political read. It's just, I think it's obvious. And it's unfortunate that the Department of Energy is showing such a lack of professionalism and also a lack of respect for the consumer. And this data should be published. They're required to do it under federal law, and they're not doing it. But I'm going to stay on the story because I'm just, stupidly stubborn. And that's what I do. I'm a reporter, and I'm going to keep hounding them until they publish the data. And I wrote about this, of course, on my Substack just a couple of days ago. And you know where to find me on Substack, robertbryce.substack.com. Thanks a lot. See ya.